Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our page. Today we are going to discuss another important concept of accounting, that is management accounting. Before going in depth about management accounting, let me recall the meaning of accounting first. As we previously discussed, accounting is nothing but it is all about classifying, summarizing, recording and interpreting the financial transaction. So you have given another simple meaning of accounting where which should be useful for 2 marks questions. Accounting is all about the process that helps to record, summarize, analyze and report data of a financial transaction. Here, basically, accounting involves three branches of accounting, that is, financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. So, today we are going to discuss more about what is management accounting, its purpose, nature, etc. In upcoming videos, let me discuss more about financial accounting, cost accounting, and if you are needed, we can also go within practical problems. So, today we are going to discuss more about management accounting. So here, this is a simple meaning of management accounting. Here, management accounting is a study of a managerial aspect of an accounting. It is to redesign accounting in such a way that it is helpful to management in a formation of a policy, control of an execution and appreciation of its effectiveness. So this is a simple meaning of an management accounting. So management accounting is all about providing a useful accounting information to the management so that they can take a necessary control, plan and take a better financial decision. So in simple, management accounting is nothing but planning, controlling and taking a better decision for management. So this is a simple meaning of a management accounting, and which will be also asked in 2 marks theory questions. So this is the meaning of management accounting. Next, and I'll be giving you all a definition of management accounting here. Here I have given a definition by two authors which is simple and understandable. Management accounting definition is given by many authors, and this is very simple and understandable where you can remember during your examination. So I have given two authors, that is Robert N. Anthony and J.G. Rose. So according to Robert J. Anthony, management accounting is a concern with an accounting information that is useful to the management. As I have already discussed a meaning of an management accounting, it is nothing but a useful accounting information to the management, and this is very simple where you all can remember during your examination. So next we are going to a purpose of management accounting. Why this management accounting is useful? Here you all can see about a management accounting. The main purpose of management is to present the accounting information in such a way that is to assist the management in planning, controlling the operations of the business. The management accountant uses various techniques and concepts to make the accounting data more useful for the managerial decision making. These techniques includes like ratio analysis, budgetary control, fund flow statement and cash flow statement. So this is the purpose of management accounting. In simple, that the purpose of management accounting is nothing but to present an accounting information in such a way that it becomes more useful for managers. So next, why do these managers prefer management accounting is that it helps them to plan, control, take better decision for the business by using the following techniques. Here I have mentioned what are the techniques and concept which makes the accounting more meaningful, that is ratio analysis, cash flow statement, fund flow statement and budgetary control. So these are the way management accounting the business. Many techniques and concepts involved, and which makes the accounting more meaningful and understandable manner. So this is why management accounting is important, and why business mostly prefer management accounting, and why management accounting is important in the business. So next, let me discuss the characteristic and the nature of management accounting. So here, this is a characteristic and nature of management accounting. Have given a 9 points which you can be easily remember during your exams, and in many questions they have also asked about the nature of and characteristics of management accounting. Providing accounting information. Nothing but management accounting gives a financial information to the management, and cause and effect analysis, profit and loss solution in prediction. It helps in understanding the why this profit and loss happen and what decision can be taken and improve the situation, and uses of special techniques and concepts, where you can use the techniques, understand the situation, understand the problem and cause, and you can make a better decision. Taking an important decisions like what tools should be used, what techniques should be used, how to plan and control. Taking important decision is a main and important thing in every business organization. So here, next, achieving an objectives. Managers are mostly give more importance to achieve their objective, which is more important in decision making of a management accounting. Managers use this information to take the better in important decision and try to achieve their objective. So no next is about no fixed norms and flows. As I said, it is flexible, there is no strict formats and rules, but it is understandable and adaptable. Next is to increase the efficiency. It increases overall efficiency. Next is about supply information, understand the decision forecasting, concerned with an forecasting. Always management think about a upcoming future, not only a present, what all they can take a better decision for the future. So these are the important characteristics of a management accounting. And here it is an objective of a management accounting which should be remembered and also useful in decision making in the business, and also from the exam point of view it is important to understand the objectives of management accounting. So here I have given an 8 points, that is planning and policy formulation, helpful in controlling performance, helpful in organizing, as I said, taking control, planning, etc., helpful in interpreting the financial statement. As I said, your management doesn't only think about daily life, it also keep in mind about the future upcoming days in the business. Motivating employee means coordination makes an improvement and better decision making, helpful in better decision making, reporting in coordination and tax administration. Business also needs in having a control audit, preparing a tax, etc. So this is the main objectives of an management accounting. So next, let me discuss functions of management accounting, and this is also an important question from exam point of view. So let me discuss the functions of management accounting. Here, this is a functions of management accounting, that nothing but planning and forecasting, as we discussed on meaning itself, modification of a data like rectifying the errors, financial analysis and interpretation, predicting the futures, facilitating and managerial control, having a control over the management, communication. Good communication without a communication gap usually gives an coordination and better smooth environment in the organization. Next, use of an qualitative information and coordinating. So this is a main and important question from exam point of view. So functions of management accounting is an important concept and which is understandable. By the meaning you can write the functions of management accounting. Here, this is a limitation of management accounting, and this is also an important from exam point of view, where from many previous year questions they have asked about the limitations of management accounting. Where there is an advantage, always there is a disadvantage. So here the limitations of management accounting are based on accounting information, there always be lack in information. Taking initiative is a problem where predicting future, making control, and taking decision making within a control is difficult, and heavy structure, personal biases, and an alternative to the administration, evaluationary stage, and this is all the limitations of management accounting. So next, let me see who is a management accountant. What are the functions of management accountant? Okay. Here is a simple meaning of management accountant. Management accountant is a person who is responsible for supply of accounting information to the management. In simple, the person who is responsible for providing all the information to the management regarding of an accounting. So he is known as a better person having a control over the decision, etc. So he is known by a different names like controller, chief accountant, financial advisor, and financial controller. So any person responsible for supply of accounting information to the management is known as management accountant. Here, to understand the day-to-day work or routine of a management accountant, so let me discuss the functions of management accountant. That is planning for control, taking a decision, reporting, evaluating, administration of a tax, appraisal of external tax, and production of assets. So these are all the functions of management accountant: reporting, planning, all an important task to the management. So duties of management accountant are collection of an information, evaluating the information, interpretation of an information, and reporting of an information, which is important for a decision making, planning, and controlling. So management accountant is an important person where he collects data, evaluate the data, which is more important for a businesses to make a better decision maker and undergo its day-to-day activities. So today we have discussed more about management accounting, management purpose of management accounting, characteristics, types of accounting, and limitation, and also we have discussed about management accountant duties and function. So hope you understand about management accounting. In upcoming videos, let me do more practical problems from management accounting, and also discuss about next two concepts, that is financial accounting and cost accounting. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.